Perpetual Limited (ASX, PPT) is a financial services company. Perpetual Limited on the 22nd of August 2019 delivered results for the year ended the 30th of June 2019 with a statutory net profit after tax (NPAT) of $115.9 million, down 17% with revenue of $514.1 million, down 4% on financial year 18. The financial services industry experienced significant disruption during the 2019 financial year. Along with many of Perpetual Limited's peers, their business was also impacted by market uncertainty and a challenging operating environment. With a strong and stable balance sheet, Perpetual has been active in its exploration of inorganic growth opportunities. Perpetual Private's funds under advice (FUA) at the end of financial year 19 were $14.8 billion, 5% higher than financial year 18, primarily driven by higher equity markets and positive net flows. Perpetual Private experienced its sixth consecutive year of positive flows, along with continued new client growth within their chosen high net worth segments. Perpetual Corporate Trust experienced strong growth in financial year 19. It continued to provide new solutions for long-established clients in debt capital markets while attracting new business from the global asset management sector. Air New Zealand Limited (ASX, AIZ) is engaged in the transportation of passengers and cargo on an integrated network of scheduled airline services to, from and within New Zealand. Air New Zealand has been named 2020 Airline of the Year by AirlineRatings.com. AirlineRatings.com editor-in-chief Jeffrey Thomas says Air New Zealand remains on top in virtually every category, which is an extraordinary achievement. The airline is committed to excellence in all areas of its business, with its employees across the globe consistently delivering exceptional customer service. Air New Zealand achieved operating revenue of $5.8 billion, an increase of 5.3% from the prior year. Despite the reduction in earnings this year, operating cash flow generation was very strong at $986 million. The airline's balance sheet continues to be in a strong position, with cash holdings of $1.1 billion. Air New Zealand has been resilient in adjusting to a number of changing external circumstances. Air New Zealand has been resilient in adjusting to a number of changing external circumstances. It has fundamentally strong business, with a core foundation and structure that is able to withstand and adapt to the challenges. The company currently offers a high annual dividend yield of 7.81. Its dividend payments have increased over the past 10 years. The company currently offers a notably high annual dividend yield of 7.81. Its dividend payments have increased over the past 10 years. AGL Energy Limited (ASX, AGL) is engaged in buying and selling of gas and electricity and related products and services. AGL Energy Limited (AGL) on the 25th of September 2019 announced it had entered into a gas supply agreement with Esso Australia Resources Pty Limited for the purchase of a total of 50 petajoules (PJ) of gas. AGL's underlying profit after tax, which excludes movements in the fair value of financial instruments and significant items, was $1,040 million, up 2%. The principal driver of increase in underlying profit was margin growth in wholesale markets from higher wholesale electricity prices and lower compliance costs for renewable energy certificates. AGL's customer numbers are up, providing a strong base to grow following customer experience transformation investment. Key operating metrics for AGL are improving as they focus on fairness, simplicity, and transparency. AGL is actively working with developers who can offer battery capacity at competitive market prices. AGL will be a leader in all forms of storage from home to grid.